Okay, I'm going to show you how you drill out a rivet. I made a mistake in the rear spar. I riveted these, which is part of the assembly of the rear spar, but these were not supposed to be riveted yet because this has to attach there. So I have to, unfortunately, drill out these rivets, but it's not so bad. So I'll show you how I do that. Put on glasses and sound protection because it is really loud, and the compressor might go on too, so that's even louder. This drill bit fits in the hole, so that's the right size. Came right out. Okay, show you one more.